Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a chic, clean and simple card using the Stampin' Up! Celebration Amazing You stamp set and coordinating Celebrate You Thinlits dies. Welcome! I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 16 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. My chic, clean and simple card, well, it's quick and easy to make. Here's a closer view of the Celebration Amazing You stamp set and coordinating Celebrate You Thinlits dies. So if you're new to Stampin' Up!, let me quickly explain Celebration. Celebration is the most anticipated special of the year. With as little as a $50 product order, you can earn an exclusive Celebration item, such as the Amazing You stamp set in your choice of clear mount or wood mount. Now there are more choices than this in the Celebration catalog. And then new this year, Stampin' Up! Added some free with $100 product purchases, and one of them is the coordinating Celebrate You Thinlits dies. And so if you placed a $150 order, you'd get both of these plus Stampin' Rewards. I mean, this is truly a celebration of free products. All right, love, love, love Celebration. So we're going to start with some die cutting. We're going to die cut the U from the Celebrate Thinlits dies, and we're going to die cut some real red cardstock. And so to make life a lot easier, look, I have the multi-purpose adhesive sheets. I'm going to turn this into a self-adhesive die cut. So we have this. I'm going to put my cardstock right on here, my real red. I don't need to be perfect, I just need to be close. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and grab the Big Shot and die cut our U. I've got my Big Shot die cutting machine, so what we need to do now is build what's called a sandwich to get the appropriate thickness we need to die cut this thin metal Celebrate You Thinlits die. So we're going to start with the Big Shot platform, and then we're going to add the thin die adapter, and then next we need a cutting pad, and then the real red cardstock. Remember, we put on the back of that the multi-purpose adhesive sheet. The multi-purpose adhesive sheet, we're going to place that down, and then we need our die, and see this raised edge, that's the cutting edge. Let's place that down. I made this large enough to be able to do 2 of these. And then we'll finish our sandwich with another cutting pad. So the Big Shot platform, the thin die adapter, and the 2 cutting pads come with the purchase of a Big Shot die cutting machine. And I was just thinking about it, I thought, ooh, if you purchased the Big Shot during Celebration, you could choose, if you wanted, the Celebrate You Thinlits dies and then make your own die cuts. Now that we have our die cut U in real red cardstock and our stamping sleeves on, we're ready to stamp. So I have Whisper White thick cardstock. I chose Whisper White thick cardstock because I'm going to adhere this layer with Stampin' Dimensionals, and I just like the extra sturdiness the Whisper White thick provides. All right, and so we're going to stamp with a basic black archival stamping pad. We're going to push, flip, and lock that lid into place. Just in case I got some ink on me from opening that pad, a quick wipe on my stamping sleeves is going to prevent it from transferring or smudging my card. All right, so let's go over here. We're going to stamp off the edge just a little bit. Hold it on a little bit extra long. See that solid? I want to make sure all of that's good and solid. And oh, it looks fantastic. We're not done with the basic black. We're going to first place this over here, our die cut U. All right, and then I wanted to say for you or just for you. Well, I found the perfect stamp in the font that I like in the Work of Art stamp set, just for and then you. All right, so let's go ahead, ink this up and come over here and see, I wanted this, my U, to be there so I could get this centered pretty well over top of it. All right. Oh, exactly what I wanted. All right, so we're done with our basic black pads. We're going to pull on that lip, flip, click, and you know it's closed. And one last wipe to make sure I don't get any ink on my card. All right, so remember, we made this into a self-adhesive die cut. So let's go ahead and peel that backing off. Aha, there we go. And place that on. And so when I was designing this card, I had the vision, right? You start with an idea of the flower in the black and white. I just love the elegance of it. And then our little splash of the red with the die cut U. And I just wanted to finish it with something, and so I'm like, ooh, look at the black and white striped paper. This is from the Petal Passion Designer Series paper in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. So let's take our Fast Fuse adhesive, and we're going to put about an inch on each end. So you have to do a little something to break it. If you don't, just slide it, a little something to break it. If not, you get this hot stringy cheese, but oh my goodness, this is such a great adhesive. Love this stuff. And I'll have a link to my blog post with this card with all of the measurements for you. You'll find that underneath the video. All right, so let's line that up to the bottom. Let's turn it over. Oh, it's not hanging over. It's looking oh so good. Now we can press everywhere. And so look, I just thought, oh, it needs a little something. So I have a couple more little touches. One of them, we're going to take one of the basic rhinestone jewels. And I like to use my paper piercing tool to help pick it up because they're tiny to get with your fingertips, and place it right there in the center. Okay. Still, there we go. Isn't that cool? And so all of this is going to go on basic black cardstock. I like that so much better than just the Whisper White for this card. It just worked out really oh so well. And then I wanted to add one little finishing touch, and so I played around with that, and look, I added the basic black baker's twine. I started off wrapping it 3 times. I tend to do that. It just wasn't that crisp, clean and simple chic look, so just once and a bow. And what was cool about the die cut red, my bow touches it, but it's big enough it doesn't, you can still easily read it. So there we go. That is one chic clean and simple amazing U card. That was just so quick and easy to make. If you'd like to make my chic, clean and simple amazing U card, all the supplies are listed under the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. But remember, the only way to get the exclusive Amazing U stamp set is for free with your $50 product order placed by March 31st, 2018 in my online store. And you can also get the Celebrate You Thinlits dies for an additional $100 purchase, absolutely for free. So get on over to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamp smiles. Thanks for watching.